Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with the essentials. Check iPad OS and that your interface supports class-compliant USB audio. Connect the interface using the correct Lightning or USB-C adapter and plug in a powered USB hub if the interface needs more current. Once done, power the interface and set its front panel sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz. This prevents mismatch. Make sure headphones are connected so you can monitor immediately. And open Garageband and create a new audio recorder or a new track using the external input type. Once the project loads, go to Garageband Settings, Advanced, and choose your audio interface as both input and output so Garageband routes sound correctly. Next, set buffer size to a lower value for tracking, but raise it if you hear clicks. Enable software monitoring on the track, arm the track for recording, and do a quick mic test to confirm signal and levels. Start by setting mic or instrument gain so peaks hit roughly -6 dB on Garageband's meter. This preserves headroom. Record a short take and listen back through headphones while watching for latency or clipping. Once satisfied, trim and save the take in your project, then export or share. If you don't see input or hear sound, make sure the adapter and hub are powered, reconnect cables, check iPad privacy permissions for microphone access, and reboot the app or iPad if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.